am going live. Welcome to the show tonight. Pro Se Legal School. We provide the tools to help you stop the court process. Yeah, we're going to be spending a little more time on stopping the court process because people call me, Coach, do you have a package to fit my situation? No, that's not the way this works. Your situation is you're getting screwed because they dragged your ass into their administrative court process. That's your situation, and that's your situation. And we have learned in the premium packages, we learn how to bring criminal charges to their asses. By jamming their ass up with the Tuckers Act, the Administration Procedures Act of 1938. And there's a couple of more. I ain't trying to tell you all my secrets, but yeah, that's what we learned how to do. And we learned how to stop the state court process. You stop the state court process with the first document that you file in the state court. I don't care if it's one of the punching documents, demand for sanctions, to demand a strike. I don't care. It don't matter. It don't matter what document you use because all of my documents, I use federal case law in. And y'all check if you don't think I know what I'm talking about. Okay? You can use higher court case law in Supreme Court? No. But the problem is the state court players can't respond to federal or Supreme Court case law or federal acts, which are criminal, with statutes and codes. Oh, could it be so easy? I'm not that smart. I don't like to work that hard. Okay? They cannot respond to any federal case law with statutes and codes. That's why when you use my shit, okay, they want to try to move your ass over the federal court. They want to try to, if you follow the program, you already got your case filed over there in federal court. By the time any of this happens, but some people don't watch stuff and they just go treat it like it's conventional shit and go file and go sit down over there and wait. Oh, yeah. So stopping the state court process. That's what I guarantee. Okay, if I was going to have a guarantee, my actual guarantee is that y'all ass are going to have some fun if you do this right. Okay, that's my guarantee. You're going to have some fun if you do this right. People are like, oh, well, I need to do this. I need to. No. File that first damn thing I told you and sit back and see what they got to say. I already know, and I already told you. The state court can respond to federal court case law with their fake-ass statutes and codes. Statutes and codes are non-valid law. They don't have enacting clauses, titles, or bodies. They don't have the three things that the Constitution and the federal law mandates must be present to be a valid law. So, and this is one of the people, my stuff can fit my situation. No. What you need to be doing is bringing your situation to my program. I'm just saying. Okay? And you can't connect none of that stuff you were doing already. Because if that was working for you, you wouldn't be seeking out the firepower that your ass has found up in her. I'm just saying. Okay? So, no. Stopping the state court process is automatic when you file the first stuff in there and do what you're supposed to be doing. And then you need to move your butt over to federal court, get that shit filed in federal court, and then serve them people. And then when you're done doing that, then you need to demand the federal court judge, I'd file a judicial notice, letting the federal court judge know that those fools, the players, didn't respond to anything on the state court level. So they have no standing to say shit to you in federal court. Okay, so you don't want to say that. You might want to. Okay, you might want to tell the judge that you. Okay, let me take a step on this. I'm gonna have to now laugh. Y'all, okay, some of y'all know what I'm about to say. You're gonna tell a federal judge you're concerned about the court's resources. And those fools weren't able to respond to anything you filed in state court. So they don't have no stand to respond to nothing here. Now, I know, people telling me, oh, well, coach, the judge is going to ignore me. Well, that's what he's been doing to your ass before now. That's because you didn't have his ass on the lawsuit and the state there and the Supreme Court on. Oh, wait, it don't matter, okay? Because here we learn how to cut to the chase. The real-time feedback from the people that support the program here, okay, has taught us how to cut to the chase. We cut to the chase. We ain't got time to wait for all of that. If the judge is going to step up in the federal court to help them, and he or she will, and there's a protocol, there's a plan, and there's a game plan for that. Okay, he will. But I guarantee you, the federal judge is not going to provide a fact of findings or conclusions of law with whatever bullshit they come up with. I'm just saying. Oh, so how's that affect the situation? Well, now you can sue the federal judge for trying to help their asses. Their need up. Oh, if it's the magistrate judge that gets in the way, then that's easy. Then that's Tammy. Hey, Tammy jammed up the magistrate judge for like $100 million. That's why we had to go in for $2 million, because I can't let people get ahead of me. Oh, because the magistrate judge took over the case or whatever. Now, the magistrate judge don't have jurisdiction to be doing shit or doing anything in your case without written consent from all the parties. I don't look that shit up. Y'all think I'm... And then when they do that because they're so busy screwing people over with their administrative rules that aren't connected to the Constitution. They need more judgeship help. Judgeship. I got to work on that. I did not say any bad words. I was trying to say that. Okay. And so all of these local rules allow this lesser judge that should be taken out the trash. I said that before when I was talking about Judge Annie T. Kristoff from Tennessee. I remember all of this stuff. Okay, and and the judge should be taken out the trash, the magistrate judge. Well, all of their asses should be taken out the damn trash, okay, because you get to be the judge in this program if you do shit right. I'm just saying. Okay, so we got a situation going on with the divorce court, Judge, but before we get to that, I know I got stuff on my desk. Oh, this is the user manual for my new mouse. Okay, it's totally off the freaking. Okay, sorry. I was reaching for this. my friend Carrie, and sometimes she's my girlfriend. There you go. I got to get that thing right, but it's got green on it. So, yeah, Shattered by Corruption. This is what, this is just a little something. It's on Amazon. And, she put this together just to kind of outline what we've been through. She did a really good job, too, condensing, I don't know, like 14 or 15 years. Oh, wait, okay. So she kind of outlined it, but she got to go over. Okay, yeah, actually longer than that, because we're still dealing with this stuff, because when you get chained and shackled and hauled all over this freaking country like a freaking animal and all this stuff yanked out, it kind of turns you into a different person. Yeah, but you know what? I'm down with that, because we learn how to, the whole time. Okay, so this dude called me the other day, and I don't remember what his name was, but if he sees this video, call me back, because I have something for you. Okay, because the dude so the dude called me, and we were talking about the packages and stuff, and the program or whatever. And for some reason, so I asked him, I said, dude, do you know why I do this? Because he was kind of him. He was telling me, people want to show me about their what they filed and tell me about their stuff. None of that shit matters, or you wouldn't be looking for me in the first place. Okay. So I asked him, I said, dude, do you know why I do this? Oh. Yeah, and I need to ask different questions, okay? I need to not ask that question, okay? And he said, yeah, coach, I know why you do this. This is what happens when they take black man's white woman. I am not lying. That is freaking what he said. On the phone. And I fell over. I'm like, dude, I did not say, no, I've been watching your videos. No, I did not say that in the video. But I guess it is. I guess it's the start of what happens. Okay? Okay, it's the start of what happens. Okay, because, when you get in a situation where you can't protect your family, I know y'all know what I'm talking about. So now, since these people on the state court level want to play around, they just want to ignore everything that we filed. They ignored our response to them. They ignored everything. And they offered, I got a video I'm going to post tomorrow. They offered my foster kid opportunity to have a trial in 2 hours. But there was some contingency. They didn't want my black ass there. I'm just saying. I don't know. They did not want no. They said no. Okay, so you know what? That's all right, because I wouldn't go there anyway. I wouldn't. And my program is set up to not go there. I'm just telling you, okay? I like to punch them in. I used to box, and the way my attitude in the ring was how I run this show now. Now I have changed it because some people don't like doing it the way I do it. So I have set it up to where they can punch their ass, knock them out, and kick them while they're down. For me, I like to punch them slow. I like to make them give up. That's how my program is structured. The documents in my program are structured to make their ass tap out. And not because they give a shit about your sorry ass or mine or anybody else's except their own and their people's. Okay? But they don't want everybody to know what you learn here. That's the situation. And yeah, I know that, somebody's gonna come along, offer me the buyout, and I'm already down the other side of the hill. I'm probably gonna take it and go sit down. and run my cooking show. Okay? And so the most important thing would be for the people that need to get shit done, need to get it done or whatever for the buyout. I know. And that's just how I see it in my head. Okay? I see it the nice way for this to change with. Okay. But in the meantime, right now, we got Judge Catherine Thiessen. I don't know how to say her name, Theisen, on the hook for $200 million because her and Joshua Matthews, the divorce attorney out of Overland Park, or wherever the hell he has his shit or whatever, okay, they decide they want to go after my foster kid. My foster kid placed his marriage dissolution document that he got from me on, and 3.5 months later, they decided they wanted to give him get in his face because it wasn't signed by the judge. That's pretty much what the attorney, Joshua Matthews, said over the judge in the Zoom hearing. I was standing behind my foster kid. I mean, in front of him, behind the phone, whatever, listening to, I was telling okay, so anytime y'all ask that they call you on a Zoom hearing, okay, when they start talking stupid, just do the thing. Man, I can't. He did that the second or third time, except he started laughing. Okay, all right, now we're back to what I said. Okay, y'all ask, I'll have some fun. All right? So not only are we suing the judge, we're suing her for her property at 1211 Massachusetts, and the name of that property is called the LLC, Besco LLC. People don't, you can't sue LLC, Coach. All right. You know what? I'm suing the owner of the LLC, and then I will sue them for the corporate charter of the LLC if I need to. It don't matter. I'm suing the owner. I'm thinking $200 million. We got a lot of more work to do. Homework. Well, not really homework because I already know. Just work. Okay, because my foster kid is coming in for the $200 million, and I don't think the city got that much. So we're going to have to put a lien, less penniless lien, on the Recorder of Deeds office, and maybe we might even do a supplemental pleading and add the Register of Deeds Association to the situation that we have going on right now. Because I don't think they're going to come out with it now. We gave them opportunity, and they just laughed and looked at us and just continued like we're stupid. And I told them we're going to do this. I told them we're going to sue your ass in federal court. I didn't tell them about this part of it. Okay, and this part of it, their business at 1211 Massachusetts, from my research, is listed as residential, and it says there are 39 residents there. And I went and looked, and it's law offices. It's not residential, so it's commercial. In my opinion, I mean, I'm not smart as some of these people. So I have my best friend who I help out on a remote location, do some homework on the internet on the property, and he's very thorough. He is very thorough, and he, so I don't have to prove nothing. I don't have to prove nothing. My foster kid is suing their asses for this property, so they need to get all this shit worked out. Oh, excuse me if I'm having a little fun here. So we did the 3949A form and reported her ass to the IRS, and we listed her, and the legal team, the Pro Se Legal School legal team over here. And we got one for the attorney's ass too. Yep, we do. Oh, we got one for the state also. Oh, fraudulent concealment. Okay. So if they drag you through the court and they take your money and lock your ass up in jail and it's all fraud, then it's fraudulently concealed. The new lawsuit that I put together is for fraudulently. So if you sue them for fraudulent concealment, which is a legal doctrine that tolls the statute of limitations. So if you sue them for fraudulent concealment and say the state court judge dismissed it because the state's getting paid, the judge is getting paid by the state who's actually, no. So you can just keep bringing it back and keep suing it about, keep the whole, about like 30, a whole bunch of times. Statute of limitations is told. Fraudulent concealment tolls the statute of limitations. Oh, that's powerful to just bring that from the gate. And what we've been doing and what we've done in the lawsuit that we just filed last week or a week or whatever. What we did was we added a section in there that challenged the federal judge. Oh, can you challenge a judge before they rule? Uh-huh. Okay. At the top of the set hour, we talked about, is the judge going to provide a fact of findings and the conclusions of law? No, hell no. None of them do. They're not. They don't. They can't. They can't because they didn't legally get your ass in court in the first damn place. So they can't. So we got a little section in there that the legal team done some research, and I'm telling y'all this so y'all can put, y'all can make it, your own, put this stuff in your own stuff. Now, my legal team did the research, and the judge has been a judge for 30 years, and not one time to date has he provided, or she, a fact of findings and a conclusions of law. Oh. Does that mean that all of the prior rulings that this judge did were all, no? Where's my trash can? I don't know. I'm not that smart. If the judge is making money up there on the bench in an administrative hearing, that's already a conflict of interest. Taking your house in foreclosure, giving it to the state. It's IRS fraud. Okay, how do I know that? Well, I can guarantee you that the attorneys and the judge didn't fill out the asset allocation statement under Section 338, which is the IRS instruction form 8883. Right here, look it up. Look, dude, I'd call the attorney and I asked him, dude, can you guys send me a copy of your 883 asset allocation? Come on now, come on, work with me. Understatement 3, yeah. Mm-hmm. And this puppy dog is like, I don't know, 3-4 pages long. This is all stuff they're supposed to be doing. Oh, 4 pages. I'm sure they did it all. Oh, back to this. Okay, sorry. My team lost the Super Bowl in this undisclosed location that I'm at. People don't like my team. Okay, they don't like the Chiefs. And people over here where I'm at talking crap on the Chiefs and treating them like they was the Oakland Raiders and shit or something. I don't know. But that's all right. Because I already knew my team wasn't going to win because all that shit turned into betting stuff. Okay, so my team didn't win, and so I had to pay up. So this is the shirt that my friend bought. Well, I had to get picked out because I lost, and you can't really see it, but it's shaped. I was wondering if I put it on, but it's shaped like a girl. But those who know what's up know what that is, because that's their new running back. That yeah, there's a pair of earrings that was in that deal too, and so. Yeah, and then I lost a hat in another deal, and then my Super Bowl hat I gave to my granddaughter, Ava, because she likes the Chiefs, and I can't wear this is the Super Bowl hat from a couple of years back, because we didn't win the last one. But I couldn't wear it because it had green on it, and it looked weird. So, and she was eyeballing it, so I let her have it. So, I'm not a sore loser. I didn't even watch the first half of the game anyway, so I already knew what was going on. And we got a new cooking channel that we're putting together, and we're almost ready to open up with it. And I got a few people that I have a friend, Erica. She's like a wrestler. She used to be a wrestler. I think she can still. And she made a cookbook, and so I'm trying to get her to come on to let us promote a cookbook. But I don't know. We'll see how that works out. But so if you guys ever see a picture of Erica the wrestler, you'll be able to tell who. She has this really cool tattoo on her. I was gonna let her tell you about the tattoo because I did not know that there was that much information in a tattoo, okay? But I just call her Erica the wrestler because she's she's pretty. Yeah, you'll see what I understand. You'll see what I mean when you'll understand what I mean when you see it. So hopefully when the cooking channel gets started, or when the cooking YouTube channel is opened up, people hopefully we'll get her to show, and we'll get other people to come in and be on it too. So, and that's you guys make sure that we're doing affiliate marketing stuff now, and we have a instruction video that's just for the affiliate marketing things and those products that we post at the bottom of the description. You guys get a break. You get, I don't know, anywhere from 5 to 15% off of some of the stuff, and then we get a percentage for you guys investing in those products. And all of those products are products from other businesses on YouTube that use YouTube. So that's pretty cool. If you notice something down there that you need, go ahead and grab it. and then I'll get I'll get a commission for that sale to help me keep my prices down low. So I think that's all we. Oh, so our update on the divorce stuff is I need to finish filling out the summons for everybody and email them over to the federal court in the morning, and then the federal judge or the federal people, the marshals, whoever will serve all of these people, and then we're gonna kind of go from there. And I already told y'all how this will play out. As soon as they get served, we're gonna order them. We're gonna jam the judge up to order their ass to the table to sit down. And then when the judge sees that we're already challenging the judge, because the judge on the federal level don't use the fact of findings and inclusions of law either, unless you sue them. They don't know what to do when you sue them. I'm thinking what they probably want to do is to get our ass out of their court. I need to do that more. Yeah, I was standing in a grocery store line yesterday, and I was checking out, and this lady had this little kid. He must have been about a year and 3 or 4 months old. We're sitting, and so we were looking at each other, and so I started going. So the kid started doing that back to me. And the parents looked at, it was, it was pretty funny. I get in trouble. I get in trouble with the kids all the time. So, my granddaughter Jocelyn, we had a conversation. This is okay. We're going to the joking side now. We're also going to have a comedian channel someday. Okay, so my granddaughter Jocelyn. My son and his ex, they split up, whatever, so they share, And so my granddaughter Jocelyn, I told her, hey, if your dad's gone, because sometimes he has to leave for a week or two, whatever. If your dad's gone and I'm here, and you guys aren't staying here, and you come back, you should call me and let me know. Let me know you come. Hey, Grandma Guy, we're coming to pick up stuff, or we're coming to hang out, or whatever. And so, and I said, that way, I ain't trying to be walking out of the bathroom or something, coming out of the shower, and you guys all come running in the house and stuff, and I'm not expecting anybody to be here. And so she kind of looked at me, and she didn't. And so I said, I just want to make it clear, So I said, I don't run with P. Diddy. And my 13-year-old granddaughter says, what? Grandma Guy, you know P. Diddy? And I looked over at my son, and my son was just dying. My son Alex, he was dying laughing. He was laughing so hard. I'm like, oh, Lord. No, sweetie, I don't think I know in the way you're asking me like that, okay? You ain't never seen my face, and no, I don't know. I'm just making, okay, never mind about the P. Diddy thing. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Then the neighbors were rash. Oh, yeah, I might have to leave this place, this undisclosed location. Thank you guys for the value of sharing your time, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on. I can't wait to see what they want to do about this problem. I emailed it out to all of the city leaders and the maintenance department, and all of those people. They all got a copy of the. But I need to get. We don't have a case number yet to go right there, so I need to get a case number. They said that I couldn't get a case number until the judge signed on to it, and some judges and some other stuff. So, because I'm a hound thinking, oh damn, ain't nobody signed. But that's all right. I spent a lot of time in the federal system. As a matter of fact, if you check with the marshals, they'll tell you, okay, I got the record for being shipped around for mental evaluations for 33 freaking months all over the freaking country. Yep. Yeah, they knew me. And they're about to know me again because when we get done with this situation right here with my foster kid, we've learned how to shave that lawsuit down that they ain't going to be able to answer to 7 pages. All right? There's one more page. But it's a certificate of service. So it don't count in my head as a page that's kicking ass. So we got this public dog down to 7 pages. They don't have nothing like that. Oh, no. Okay. Oh. This is what I wanted to share with you guys too. The most badassest thing about this situation right here is that we showed up when I filed this for my foster kid. I had a certified copy of the docket sheet, a certified copy of the state docket sheet. Oh, so I'm going to suggest that, when y'all get done stopping the state court process, that you get that certified copy of the entire docket sheet to head over to federal court. In that docket sheet was no process of service, and we already told them that, but they lied, they skimmed, they brought these people in from Attorney General's office on to kick our ass, and we jammed their ass up with the demand to strike because they aren't foreign agents, and so then, and we had already checked 3 times to find out what was on the docket, and we got copies of what was on the docket at that time when we checked. It was 3 things, and 2 things. 2 of the things were journal entries, and I can't remember what the other ones, but it didn't have anything to do with the case. All of a sudden, there's this big old thick ass complete docket sheet. And all it was just paper. It was paper of stuff like regular forms that they use. Oh, well, we had a court hearing and the judge ordered, wait, no, the judge didn't order nothing in the hearing because he never got to that. But it's in there. Oh, their ass looks so bad. I'm sure you know now, okay? Because my girlfriend went down there to file the demand to dismiss the divorce court's judgment, giving that lying witch with a W, or it could be a B, any way you want to, Kristen Hayes, granting her the divorce and everything. And they answered to nothing that we filed. Oh, wait. We knew that there was a fake court. So in a fake court, can you do fake shit? Okay, but now there's a whole new program, and they're in a different fake court. And the new fake court is seeing what we did to the old fake court. And we'll see how that plays out. But getting that certified copy of the state court docket sheet was so badass. And when I presented that to the lady, she looked at it. And then she touched, the seal. When they're certified, they have she touched the seal thing on it. And I'm like looking at her, like, no, lady, you need to go. Hey, you need to go put this stuff over there and make it, because I need to get the hell out of town in the morning and head back to this undisclosed location so I could continue working on my job. Now, I'm just now getting into this connecting the real estate, this IRS stuff to fraud to the situation. And so I know that I'll be getting calls and stuff from some people that know a little more about this tax situation and can help us, add a few more things to the fire. Because, like I said, I like them to give up. When they give up, there ain't no pill shit. There ain't no. When they tap out, it's a wrap. And that's how I like to go. I'll punch them in the face as long as they want to stay in the ring and play. That's how we roll over here. And so if you get in this, you got to have a little shitty attitude. Welcome to the show, William. Hey there, welcome to the show from Raleigh, NC. Good evening, Melhead. I think Eddie's new in our group. What's up, Zell Delane? Thank you guys for coming to the show tonight, to the stream. Appreciate everybody. Yeah, Heather, we bringing punches. Yes, sir. I am. I'm in a dusty place in a hole in the ground, so my scientists bother me all the time. So, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm in a situation room. I can handle almost any situation here. I might need a few more extra people. But at the top, there you go. At the top of the ground up there is some other stuff that I ain't got to worry about. They'll be taking care of the situation. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get on out here and go get the rest of this stuff done so that I can email this stuff over to these people in the morning because foster kids ready to get the brakes put on this and the property for the law offices at 1112 Massachusetts in Lawrence, Kansas. When my foster kid owns that, takes over that, then I'll probably have my girlfriend run it for us. Because neither one of us are in town. Oh, yeah, I probably have to have her run it. Oh, and so I got a young lady. So, okay, so, and I had to bounce off my foster kid's head because, he's the boss man. Okay, but if it's up to me, the rent's going to go up on the law offices, okay? And we're about to file as soon as we get the case number and a certified copy of the federal filing. We're going to file a less penance lien against the county recorder's office and the Recorder Deed Association and maybe the land bank. There's a land bank. I don't know. We're going to file some liens against some stuff because I know these people are going to play around. I already know how they roll. I already know how they roll. So we're just going to file a lien. And then the first time when they answer or don't answer or play around or whatever, then we're just going to file a foreclosure against the Recorder Deeds Office and all of the assets. Y'all know what assets are in there, right? Ow. We might have to up it to $400 million. I don't know how much $1 million worth of assets in there. It don't matter. We'll take what we get. And yeah. So what are you going to do, Coach, with the Recorder Deeds Office if you foreclose on them? Well, if I foreclose on them and the assets, then I can get the sheriff department to go to run the ass out of that shit, and then I own it all. Oh, and so, I could give everybody back their deed. No. I ain't like Robin Hood. Okay, I ain't doing shit for free. Okay, no. No, I'm not doing shit for free. Okay? I'll give y'all Asher D back in Douglas County. Okay, but y'all gonna have to leave me a video review. What? I don't think that's asking too much to get the deed to your property delivered to your house for a video review. Okay, I don't think that's too much. Y'all ass might need to buy me some dinner or something too, or something. Oh wait, I know what y'all need to makers. y'all need to give me that big giant ball of makers, not the one that's $68. That my father's kid got me that one. Okay, I need that. Okay, never mind. Makers bourbon. Ah, de nada, Heather, de nada. Me gusta el trabajo aquí. Me gusta ayuda a mis amigos, mis amigas, mis amigas y mis amigos también. JR, I haven't asked the attorney for the 883 for the 883 asset allocation statement under Section 338. I haven't asked him for that yet. And I'm not going to. Well, okay. I'm not going to ask them for it. I'm going to report their ass here. And I'm going to assume they don't have it. I know they don't have it. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, hell no, they don't have it. Okay. Any attorney that has an asset allocation form filled out after you get done doing the foreclosure, okay, you send me a screenshot of it. I'll let you come on the show. Okay? And I'll let you talk for the last 10 minutes. Because you can't talk before and have time left without me saying, I'll let you talk for the last 10 minutes. Yeah, no. They don't fill this shit. Are you kidding me? They don't fill it out. Why should they? Ain't nobody checking. The IRS is a freaking corporation just like Walmart. The IRS is a corporation just like the United States Inc., the United States the federal government. Yeah, there's two United States. There's United States, all of the states together, and then there's United States, the federal government. And almost all of the time they're talking about, when they reference the United States, they're talking about the federal government. And so you're a citizen of the United States. If you know, nobody can be a citizen of the United States. You're a citizen of the Republic States you were born in, or you're a citizen of another country, or like in my case, I tell my grandkids that I was born from another planet. I'm from another planet, and so the thing is, nobody can be a U.S. citizen because U.S. citizens have to be born in a fake ass corporation, and nobody can be born in a fake ass corporation. There you go. And that's why I don't worry about suing the corporation. I add their ass to the thing here, but I add the owner's name right up here, and then I add their ass over there. And they tried to, dismiss it because I didn't properly serve the corporation. Well, I'm not a corporation, and I think corporations are full of shit. They don't have arms or legs or a brain or blood or anything else. So a corporation has to have someone sign for them, and that's the name that we included here, over here, and they included that person's name on their document too. Talking crap, that didn't last very long. Oh, that did not last very long. So what is going to be the situation, JR, is not what the attorney. I think the judge is going to have a bigger problem right here, okay? Because the judge's property is on the line. And from my research, the property is not properly listed in the situation because it appears to be commercial, and she has it listed as residential. Yeah, and a resident is also a government place of a place where the government lives. A resident. Thank you, JB. Okay, guys, I need to get going. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. I got another video we're gonna post tomorrow. We're gonna show a bunch of pictures from what we done to what we were doing to the divorce court judge on the state court level. All the stuff that we filed and the recused, and then I had to go down there and I made a video going down there at the last minute because I knew they were going to try some. We just had to stay a step ahead of them. So that video is going to come out tomorrow. Now, what we're doing is divorce court judge beat down in the media. So when we get done posting these videos with her name in the title, eventually they're going to show up right underneath her website, just like Judge Annie T. Kristoff. You guys remember her? Yep. Judge Annie T. Kristoff, or she's a federal magistrate judge in Tennessee, or a video showed up, Tammy's video showed up right underneath the judge's website, and then had to cover it up with a bunch of stuff after I made a couple of videos and posted it. But I still have the videos, and we'll post. I actually have that queued up to be posted again tomorrow. Now, if people are fighting these judges, you can make a video about your judge and have the judge's name in the title and whatever, and send it to me, and I'll put it in this video playlist that I'm starting for the judge's beat down. At some point along the way, I'm going to figure out how many videos it's going to take before it shows up right underneath their stuff. Well, that's pretty powerful.